Okay, so this video is going to be a little bit different. We're going to focus on shortcuts.
I've seen things people wouldn't believe. All those moments will be lost in time.
This is a 2019 MacBook Pro 15-inch. I've already made a video about changing a battery on a 2018, which takes the same battery, which is like the full video. Since releasing that full video, a few people have asked me to focus more on the shortcuts that we did, noticeably not removing the motherboard, which if you're following iFixit's instructions, they say take out the motherboard. I find that if you take out the motherboard, trying to get it back in, there are chances you could damage it. There's also getting all of those little cables in place. You can save yourself about 20 minutes. Instead of having a video where I'm going to do a full taking this apart, we're basically just going to cut to the point where the battery has been unglued and is ready to be removed and the new one fitted, and we'll highlight in detail how to get the cables under the motherboard without removing it. If you want to watch the full video, the link to that's up there. If you just want to focus on the bits, we're going to now jump to this laptop being half done. Okay, as you can see, the battery has now been removed. I've just got these things under there, just keeping the glue from going apart. I've removed all the screws from the motherboard. As I said before, two of these screws are slightly different. On this particular model, the two screws that hold the battery compartment are actually, they are the security, the pentalobe screws that come on an iPhone. They're that size, just to confuse matters. However, okay, so everything's been disconnected. What I've done is on the left hand side here, I've disconnected the, I think it's the keyboard from there, and what we're now going to do is we're now going to levy up the keyboard ever so slightly. So here, from on the left here, this is where the cable from the battery goes. It goes, takes a left-hand turn here, goes there, underneath, and to the battery board that is there. Likewise on here, on this right side, we have the cable turns right, goes under the motherboard and attaches to the battery board again, like this. So again, we just have to lift this up enough that we can slip these cables out. And here's how I found out how to do it. So we're going to start on the left hand side. There is, just to the left of there is a screw hole, and with a pick tool like this, we're going to go, we're just going to put it in there, and as you can see, very gently we can just lift up the motherboard. Yes? Now with a blue pick, I'm just going to go and fit that to the left here. And again, not pulling anything. There we go. So we can see that the blue pick is at a slight angle. We're now going to do the same thing on the right hand side. So again, just here, again, with a tool, we're just prising up the motherboard ever so slightly, and we're placing another pick in that side. And you can see immediately that that there is plenty of room. You can see that the battery board there is super loose, and we're now going to go and slide the whole battery unit out to the front, which, if I can do this there, and you can see on the left hand side it's just getting caught there. I'm just letting it go. This left side is done. The right hand side is the same, and again we're just pulling it, and you can see that again the cable's coming out, and we might just need to, so again I'm trying to actually keep this flat like that, and you can see that that is now, that side is out. I can actually slide this across, and voila, the battery has now been removed. We're going to leave the two blue picks in there for the moment. We're going to clean all this up, put the trackpad back in, and I'll be right back to show you how to put the battery back in. Okay, so we are back with our iFixit replacement battery, and it's just a matter of now sliding this in. As you can see, all the old adhesive has been removed, and we're just now going to take out the new battery. And the only problem I found with these is that when we're putting the battery in, we have to make sure that everything is at an angle like this. Otherwise, these adhesive pads are going to stick to the base here, and then you're going to be struggling trying to basically get them in and out. So if we undo the rear protection, and so here we go, nice and easily we're going to go and slide in both sides. The left hand side goes in really easily, but we're not going to let that battery touch the ground quite yet. The right hand side needs a little bit of help, and what we're going to do, here we go, we're just going to make sure that it's between the metal and the motherboard, and look at that, it's slid in perfectly. The only thing that's stopping this from actually sitting perfectly flat is of course this top layer here, which if I peel off now, then before we apply pressure, we just want to make sure that everything is sitting correctly. Again, might need a little bit of correction, because again, don't want it to sit. Okay, so at the moment this guy in the middle just needs to come over a little bit, like there. That's now sitting flat, that's now sitting flat. There's a bit of plastic that needs to just sit between the metal, and there you have it. Everything is sitting absolutely flat. We can now remove that. The motherboard goes flat, and it just requires a little bit of assembly. Now that was easy. Okay, that was easy. So there we have it, the shortcuts of how to fit a battery into a 2018 to 2019 15-inch MacBook Pro. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments. If you enjoy these type of videos, click the subscribe button, click the like button, and I will see you in the next MacBook repair video. Ciao.